Hello, Andrew. How's it going, my man? Oh, it's a bit of a testing stream. I've got to get some music going. I didn't mean to go live right now. Um, just put some lo-fi on. Yeah, I scheduled this for like in an hour, and then I clicked start schedule, and then it just started streaming. So I guess I'm streaming, so it doesn't do it twice because that'd be weird. So if there's anything odd audio-wise, desktop audio, stuff like that, just let me know. I'm still testing things out, but we'll start by making a new world. Cool. Now we'll have to figure out a world name, which I don't know what I'm going to call this, but I'm going to play on here long term, so I guess I'll just call it like... I'm just going to call Game Dev Night Adventure. Cool. I don't know if I want to change any of the default settings. I think I'll just leave it how it is, and I'm also not too sure on cheats. Yeah, I make games. So I've been doing game development for almost 2 years now, and for the streaming, I do want to do game development. This stream is going to be more to test this actual laptop I'm on. So I'm currently streaming on a laptop, but it is a laptop with a very nice graphics card. It's got a RTX, so yeah, the voxel models, yeah, those are good. Those are long ago now. I should have kept going with them. But yeah, those voxel models, I'm still working on that game. I'll show it off in a second, or actually no, I'm gonna open it now. I guess this is one way to stress test the laptop and see how badly it runs. We'll see how the frame rate holds up. You guys let me know. Let me just minimize it. Everything here. So if you want to see how some of these voxel models have been implemented, it's not too good yet, so it's for my MMORPG I'm making. Yeah, I'll show you that real quick. Wow, this is definitely taking a hit. So it does have a RTX 2050, of course, laptop edition graphics card. So I think it's gonna hold up okay. So far, it's not too bad, but it could definitely use some work. But you can see some of the voxel models implemented. This terrain you see, so these blocks that again just looks like Minecraft, this will be changed. It's very placeholder, so these blocks will, I'll use actual code to generate over all these blocks and make smooth terrain, so everything's going to be as fine as the body's detail here. So that is the future goal, which hopefully I can get the performance to run good. But yeah, so you can see some of the voxel models I made. It's in the actual game project. I don't think it's too bad. I still need to work on a lot of things though. Lighting and stuff like that still needs a lot of work. But yeah, we'll get into that another time. For now, it's just going to be to stress test the team. Things are not set up well at all. I haven't tested any audio, anything like that. Also didn't schedule properly or make a better thumbnail. I think the thumbnail right now isn't too bad. But yeah. Yeah, thanks. It does run pretty good. So from what I've tested, I get like 400, 500 frame rate, and that is with a very bad performance setup. So the actual models on each of those blocks you saw, it's something like 30 vertices on one screen, because every single pixel you see on the block is an actual vertice. So that's just because the software I used has converted it very badly. So yeah, that's completely terrible optimization. It still runs really good. So hopefully in future when I actually properly implement things, it'll be okay. Yeah, right now I'm taking a little bit of a break working on it because MMORPG I'm trying to make on my own, and it's been a little bit rough. But it hasn't been too bad. Yeah, it's so bad. Actually, no, I can show you. I have the Blender file here, and you can see how bad it really is. So let's find that quickly in the menu. Here's the terrain. Yeah, so let's open up the file. Oh, again, here comes the stress test for the laptop. I'm absolutely beating this thing. If I wasn't using it before, it's it's not too warm actually. The frame rate is taking a little bit of a hit, but the actual laptop itself is handling it okay. So here we have those blocks you saw and some other weird things. And if you click on them and actually go into tab, here you can see, so it is terrible. So every single pixel you see is an actual, like, look at that. That is, you're meant to have just 2 triangles, and here we have so many. So what's the CPU? I actually don't know. I think it's a 6-core CPU. Let's go to, should be details. Actually, for being honest, I've never used Windows 11 Task Manager. Okay. So Core i5 11, of course, yeah, 6 cores, and it runs pretty good. Right now it's at 4 gigahertz, so things should stay consistent. So when I test the actual stream, I'm going to stream for maybe 3 or 4 hours, and then maybe 3 hours, then I'll actually go back into here and see how the CPU is holding up, if it's still holding its good speeds and stuff. But yeah, as you can see, of the GPU, the NVIDIA graphics card, everything here is pretty good. It doesn't have a lot of VRAM, so when it comes to playing some bigger games, might have some troubles with that. I was thinking about streaming Red Dead Redemption 2 if people are interested in that, but yeah, it's definitely taking a bit of a hit. Yeah, this topology, it's so bad. So yeah, I will eventually fix that up, but this is just placeholder, so I'm going to replace all that with actual fine blocks, like I said, to make things very fine detail. So yeah, here we are. We're just going to play some Minecraft for a bit. I'm not too sure what my goals are specifically. The goal I have personally whenever I start a run is, my first little bit that I play on is number 1, find a base location, and already I'm actually really loving this. That terrain right there, I feel like building a base in that terrain and then just making some water dock going into the ocean could look nice. So this could be a cool area. Yeah, the goal normally for me is just make a full diamond set of tools and then hop off. And yeah, so yeah, next stream I'll definitely work on it better. I will actually, what's it called, schedule it properly, announce it in Discord, everything like that. But for now, this is just test stream. And yeah, Minecraft's frozen. Oh no, why is it frozen? Let me try exit full screen on Minecraft. That might be the problem. Yeah, okay, thanks for the smiley face. Damn, I can't believe that's happened. Oh, there we go. So apparently full screen is broken. This is why I'm testing things. So thank you for that. I guess I'm just going to play it windowed for now and see what that's like. I meant to grab saplings, throwing me off. So yeah, I have some mods installed, not some insane ones. The biggest ones I have, I guess, is what got a sapling immediately. The biggest ones I have installed is the create mod, and Alex mobs and Alex caves. So we'll see how that goes. I have a little booklet here. So I guess a long-term goal for this world, because I was thinking about playing this weekly when I get the streaming stuff set up properly, would maybe be finding and catching every single one of these animals, all these mobs. You know, it's pretty cool. So yeah, I did, luckily, just before doing the stream, I did that last second. Again, this was meant to be scheduled, but I didn't for some reason. But I did luckily manage to get that. It is streaming on GPU, and I've just left it at the default settings. So yeah, everything should be fine. I'm currently getting 55 FPS, which isn't amazing. I have one performance mod installed, but as you can see, my draw distance isn't too low. I could lower it if it gets bad. Hey, Navo, how's it going, man? But yeah, we'll see how this performance holds up. See how things go. I currently don't have anything from my stream up, like the audience. I can't myself hear how it sounds, anything like that. So if there's anything audio-wise or any other problems, just let me know. If the music's too loud, anything like that. But yeah, I guess I'll make a wooden sword. I'm not too sure if I'm going to stream Minecraft every single week. I was thinking about it because it could be cool to maybe... So I do work full-time. And Fridays could be cool because of course it's the weekend. I don't have to worry about, you know, sleeping early. So I could maybe Fridays just stream like from when I get home for maybe 6 hours and just play the hell out of Minecraft, and just chill like that. And throughout the week, just I was thinking Mondays and Wednesdays, stream just programming. So probably work on my MMORPG for now because that's the only actual personal game project I have that's like viable to stream. I guess there's actual stuff I can do. That won't just be programming because of course just watching someone program for hours could be very boring. But so yeah, there's a lot of actual design stuff to do, which could be cool. Maybe some modeling too. Put a waypoint here for base. Cool. See what you said. Yeah, I see that. It is a little... So I have my stream up on my phone. That's the only way for me to actually see how it looks. It is a little blurry. Let me see, actually. Let me quickly go into my OBS. I guess now you guys are going to go through my settings with me. There might be output recording. So everything here is high. Everything here is basically on the high settings. It might be in the actual... I swear there was a setting somewhere to do the... Oh, here we go, the bitrate. So here's the bitrate. Let me just put this up. So let me put that on 5,000 and let's see if that helps. All right, yeah, so that shot up a lot. And let's see if that is still very blurry afterwards. So just give it a look here on my phone. You know what? I'm thinking that already looks a lot better. No, it's still... Damn it. It's still pretty blurry, but it's not too bad. Let's see if I move around how that looks specifically. Yeah, I'll do some more actual tests off stream later on. Again, this was meant to schedule in 2 hours for me personally. So I was gonna prepare these things a little bit more then. Let me know if that's better for you guys, because I haven't been paying too much attention to the actual stream. But it doesn't look that pixelated anymore. It looks a bit better. So yeah, it's better. You know what? Let me just buff that up a little bit more. My internet speed's like, I think it's like 50 megabytes download and upload. But it does dip quite a bit every once in a while, so it might not be too consistent. I should put it on 8,000, so yeah, you know, unlimited internet, beautiful thing. Let's go mine a little bit. Yeah, yeah, it's definitely better than before. Yeah, there's quite a few things I want to change before I stream next. This is something I've noticed with... I'm not gonna mess with a skeleton as an enchanted bow. This is something I've noticed with the latest version of Minecraft 1.20, is that the brightness seems to be lower. I don't know if that's just me, but everyone I've played with, so I played with some friends and stuff the other day, and they've said too, because of course, every time a new big version comes out, we all just play it, figure it out. But all of us have like agreed that the brightness overall feels darker. So even if my brightness maxed out, the caves and stuff just still feel so dark when you're in them. I don't know if that's an actual change because I haven't seen too many people talk about it. But for me personally, it feels so dark for some reason. So we'll just eat up, get to full health, and then go into a cave. And I know this is dumb of me, but I'm just gonna make a leather helmet just for a little bit of protection. I'm gonna treat this like hardcore, not completely, because there is a mod, Alex Caves installed, which is not very balanced. So from what I've seen, there's a lot of complaints about balance issues. That there's a lot of like mobs that will quite literally just one-shot you. Like there's a T-Rex in one of the caves, and a T-Rex just eats you, and you're dead. Like it just kills you really easily. So from that, I have specifically decided not to just straight up make this hardcore, because I really don't just want to play the world for a couple of weeks, stream every once in a while, and then we just die immediately and it's all gone. But yeah, so the plan right now is just Mondays and Wednesdays, maybe stream for 3 hours, some programming. I was thinking just do streams where I'm doing the tutorials. So the platforming tutorial, I might just stream me testing out code, figuring things out, and then yeah, just after the stream, delete all the code using GitHub and then just do it all again and record the video. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I think you're right about torches too. And yeah, the caves, it's so dark. It's crazy. I really don't want to mess with the skeleton, but I feel like we have to go over there. Yeah, let me just build up here. I just want a little bit of defense because it is pretty distract. I didn't think it'd be this like disorienting trying to talk and play the whole time. Of course, you normally play with friends, but this isn't the same because I'm thinking about what I should say, like talk about game development, streaming, whatever. Oh wow, it's a giant cave. Guess we'll just jump down. Yeah, so just a little bit of streaming, game development, and then just some Minecraft. We'll see how that all goes, if you guys enjoy it or not. I know it's a little, like, odd. That is not the goal of this channel, but I think it's a little more refreshing, and I left my crafting table. I think it's a little more refreshing to actually just have a mix of multiple things instead of just streaming programming non-stop, because I know it gets very boring. I could also try and mix it up a little, so, like, stream a little bit of coding, and then midway through, pick up some Minecraft, whatever. Okay, this is absolute chaos. Sorry, let me read what you said before I die. Yeah, so okay, dude, immediately. Wow. Okay, well that's wonderful. That's a great start, and it's nighttime too. That's even better. So, did you went into some programming at college or self-learning? So programming started off for me, I guess it's hard to say how it started off. So growing up, my dad did a lot of programming. My brother did some game development too. So I had an early like introduction to it, but I didn't enjoy it that much because it was like, okay, dude, you have to laugh. And I said I'm gonna treat this like a hardcore world, and I just jump down and die immediately because I'm reading the chat. Yeah, for me it was just, I didn't really like it too much starting out, like looking at programming, like, you know, they talk about coding all day, they want me to do coding, all that stuff, and I was just like, nah, I don't want to do any of that. But at school I did a bit of programming, so I took both computing classes, which one is specifically programming and the other one more is how computers and stuff actually work. So computer, I guess, I don't know what you really call it. You can't really call that computer science, but it's just how does RAM work? How does internet work? How does all these things work together? Whatever. That's what it actually is, the physical logistics of the hardware. So I learned both of those and I really enjoyed it. While doing the programming side of things, we just use a bit of Python, specifically in HTML. So just making these little terrible websites that just aren't really that interesting. And I guess that sparked the start of it. So I picked up Unity at the start of last year. I dropped out of school and did some labor work. And then 1 year in, decided to go home and study a bit. So studying Python, and I did Unity for a long time. So I did Unity for a whole year. And I loved C#, absolutely loved it. I know not everybody loves it, but I think it's an amazing software. I really enjoy it. But yeah, so that's what I did. That's essentially my programming thing, is just self-taught and some school, but that's just very low level stuff, doesn't really do anything. Yeah, I think my CPU should be okay too from what I saw, but it was a little laggy because Minecraft's also capping out my RAM usage, so things are already a little bottlenecked, so I guess the CPU just didn't like it too much. I'm just gonna leave the bed here. Oh wait, that's my spawn point and I broke it. So dumb. Yeah, so the CPU should be okay. Maybe if I optimize things a little bit more, maybe uninstall 1 or 2 gigantic mods. Oh great, there's iron right here and I just... Wow, this is a gigantic entrance that I did not see before. So I guess we have to figure out how to get to my actual body, which, if I'm being completely honest, I have no idea how we're going to do that. And we might actually just make some new tools and just kind of start again, I guess. But yeah, so self-taught, I guess that's just the conclusion here. Self-taught programming, really enjoy it. Godot has been amazing. I definitely prefer it over Unity. There is still some things about C# that I love, but Unity as a whole, so Unity specifically, game development side of things, definitely enjoy Godot a lot more. Easier to learn, and the actual just overall user experience has just been amazing. Now, where is this little chunk of iron I found earlier? There it is. Yeah, that's definitely the conclusion I have here, is that I love Unity, I love Godot. I love Godot a lot more, so that has been very interesting, and it has told me a lot about programming. Like in the latest video guys saw, we had the dictionaries and stuff like that. It's one piece of iron. Cool. Yeah, so Unity, you know, I do still like it. I do still like it, but overall, just what they do and the errors you experience just really bother me. So I had this, I don't even want to talk about it because I still feel like it's a very good idea for a game that if any company, I know a lot of people like always have that thing like, oh, I have this great idea, I don't want anyone to steal it, but this is really something that I think would do well because it hasn't been done before. And I think people would really enjoy it. So I was thinking about combining like the idea of Happy Wheels, where you make your own levels and cool stuff like that, and combining that with an RPG, but not like RPG Maker. Just, I can't really explain it. You know, it's meant to be a combination of systems from, where's this other cave entrance? It's meant to be a combination of systems from Hearthstone, Happy Wheels, and then just any generic RPG from the old times. And it was meant to be turn-based as well. So it was just meant to be a combination of a lot of genres, systems, to make something pretty damn cool, which I spent a lot of time on in Unity. I spent maybe a few weeks working on it. I made some videos on it. It's that RPG I made with the cool like level editor system and stuff I made from scratch. All that stuff. That was like what the goal was making this cool little system for myself to essentially make these cool levels and things. And with Unity, there was this problem with the graphics. So I spent all this effort trying to get things to work, and there was a very bad bleeding bug. So the bleeding was just absolutely terrible, and I forgot they made pickaxes do 0 damage to mobs. So there was this edge bleeding on the actual sprites, which was just horrendous, and it only happened when you actually loaded a save file. So I saved the map to a file in JSON, and then I load it. For some reason, when you load sprites on the get-go instead of loading them when you start the actual scene, it just ruins it. Like, it's terrible. Like the bleeding is just so unbearable. Like, it was like you move the screen, all the sprites just have these terrible white edges that just, it was just so bad. So I got really frustrated, and I saw the solution was just using an assortment of different things like tile maps and things like that, that for some reason had better visual performance things that made things look better, run better, everything's just properly loaded. I think it was called a sprite map, something weird like that. It wasn't a tile map. It was just some weird thing I've never heard of. But everybody said that's the fix, because other people experienced that too, and it was just too much. It was like, I'm not going to go through this horrendous amount of effort just to get my sprites to look good. I know a lot of game engines have problems with edge bleeding and stuff like that, and it was so frustrating because, again, Unity's not open source, so when there's an issue like that, it's very hard to find a solution because no one can make a solution. Unity has to make it. Atlas map. I think it's an Atlas map, something like that. It's a very long time ago now. It's almost a whole year ago, so my memory, I apologize, very bad when it comes to that. Yeah, it's just very bad. Very bad. So I got very frustrated, and that's what led me to pick up Godot. I was just so angry, and I started making this inventory series as well for Godot on YouTube. In Unity I was making an inventory series, and it was very upsetting because it was like, I love this engine. I've spent a lot of time in this engine, and this is what I get in return. It's like all my efforts for nothing. because I'm not going to spend hours trying to implement a fix for something I shouldn't be in the first place. Because I already have all these problems with Unity. My biggest problem with Unity is all the integrated issues with the system. Like, you'll open a project and there's 5 errors, which isn't even from you. It's just it'll be Unity stuff that just break over time if you do weird things, and it's just very frustrating. Good morning, Lime. 6 in the morning. It's 10 in the morning for me. As you can see, we're having a chat about Unity. Why I love Unity. What did you say, Navo? Your favorite YouTuber from your country, Navo? Who's that? Let us know. I'll check him out. Not right now, but I'll spec him out later. Yeah, we're just having a chat about Unity, Godot, which one I like more, why I like the one or the other more. And the conclusion is just, I like Godot. I like Unity, but Godot is just... I haven't had any issues with Godot. That's why I love it. The only issues I've had is in that video I listed a while ago about should you use Unity as a 3D developer. Some issues of animation, some issues with importing and stuff. That is Mr. Beast. Mr. Breast, okay. I mean, hey. So I'll talk about that. I do have a big chest though. I'm happy with my chest. But yeah, there are some issues with Godot I've had, but it hasn't been bad. It's easy fixes, nothing terrible. At most, it'll take like a couple minutes to fix, or just 1 or 2 search ups, and it is just, there we go, solution found. And of course, for Unity, that's not the case, because Unity is not open source. People don't make fixes for things that easily. I am going to die. Oh, I'm missing so much. Okay, dude. I'm used to 144 FPS smooth. That wow. I haven't played with like, I'm currently playing with what feels like 40, 50 frame rate. It says 60, but I know 60. This is not 60. I think it's something to do with OBS, because the moment I switched over to the GPU encoder, things got a little iffy. With the CPU, is much worse. Like, even just scrolling through Google, I had like 30 FPS. I think it's just, I'm pushing the limits on this laptop a bit. I know I am. It's not meant for this, playing modded Minecraft and streaming at a high quality with a high quality camera. To like, everything is just, I'm pushing the limit here. Skinnon's live. Oh, it's cool. Yeah, Minecraft too. It is Minecraft. Yeah, well, we'll see how things go. I'll put a lot more. Wow, you know what? That is actually very lovely. Some iron armor and stuff. This mod should be the. Go away. This should be from the artifacts mod. I don't know why that took me so long to say. It generates these little things, and it'll be a mimic chest sitting there, and you try to open a chest, and it just tries to kill you. So, you know, a little Dark Souls action. Gonna tickle. Okay. Okay, the frame rate thing, I can't even click on him. It feels like floaty. Like, moving my mouse feels a little floaty. Yeah, I'll try some different optimization mods. Right now I have what is called Oculus. It is just a port of Iris from Fabric, so I'm playing Forge. My personal experience with Optifine has always been terrible. Like, when I install Optifine, the performance just doesn't have a big impact. So I'm not sure if I'll use Optifine, but I'll definitely give it a try. Next time I stream, we can just try load the mod pack, see what it loads like with Optifine installed, and see how that performance goes. But we'll figure it out. I'm sure there's a way. This isn't a bad laptop. It's a really strong laptop, so it's a cute bird. There should be a way to actually get some good performance out of this thing. Yeah, fabulously optimized. I was thinking about just installing that, but the problem is the mods I want to play with, specifically Alex Caves, isn't there. So it's a little annoying because there are very specific mods I want to play with. If I'm going to play on this long term, definitely Forge, because there's just a lot more mods on Forge. Cool. There we go. We have everything we need. There's a lot of things we can craft out of this helmet. So the warrior set. Warrior. Let's see what this is about. This looks pretty damn cool. We'll make that soon. That looks kind of cool. I like that. We're just gonna save that. Did install a backpack mod too, but not an insane one, very small one, because I don't want to have some crazy backpack stuff going on. There we go. Because personally, it's just I find backpack mods a little OP. You open your inventory, you have like 5 chests of space. So yeah, we do have create installed. I'll just show. So create over here. We have all this, you know, the cool stuff. But whatever, create cool stuff. Let me just read what you guys said real quick. So CPU, I did disclose at the start. It was a Core i5 11th gen. I think it's a 4.6 gigahertz 6-core CPU, but it normally sits around 4.1 because it is a laptop. And a RTX 2050 laptop edition. I think they're called OC, which hasn't been too bad actually. You know, I get like 100 frame rate on Elden Ring with like high settings on 1080p. Like it's a good laptop, but I think for streaming it's pushing a little bit. You haven't played Minecraft for 6 years, Lime. Dude, come on. We gotta play Minecraft, man. It's good for you. I was thinking about in the future maybe making an actual server for all the viewers to play on. If maybe get some more income somehow. Who knows? Maybe the streaming thing goes well and people donate and stuff. I was thinking about renting a server or just actually getting my own one. But electricity costs where I live is it's a little ridiculous. But it's not terrible. So I was thinking in future we could maybe actually just host our own server and everybody plays like that. Not modded. I mean, maybe modded, but just so everybody can like play together, have a big world where we show things off and just have fun. You know, I think that's a little cool. A nice, easy way for being interactive with the community. Like just getting home, playing with you guys and going home. Getting off. Yeah, we'll see. There's a lot of plans I have for the channel and stuff like that long term that I think could be nice. Yeah, right now it's just figuring out schedules, figuring out what works for both you guys and for me, because time-wise it's a little bit rough. So 10 in the morning for me is 8 at night in America, and most of my viewers are from America. So if I really want to stream it, I kind of have to do it early mornings, which I can't because I work. So it's rough, because when I get home it's like 4 in the morning. No, sorry, it's like 3 in the morning for America. So it's just rough. I'm not gonna do well if I stream when I get home. Except if European countries and Asian countries start watching me a bit more, which it's not too bad actually. A lot of my viewers are from like Africa, Europe, and Asia, mostly being Europe, which is kind of surprising since I'm in Australia. So you'd think most of my viewers would be from like Australia, but no, it's America and Europe, which is pretty interesting. So yeah, right now it's just figuring out schedules. What works, seeing what you guys enjoy. So there's a lot of things I want to change, put in some stream overlays, some more interactive stuff. I want to put a lot of things with animations on, things that actually give some form of, I don't want to say stimulation, but more entertainment. That's not just my face cam and the game or programming. I want some actual things like, I was thinking maybe making sprites with GIFs for all of you guys, one for each. And maybe it can be like a tier or something, like if you send any donation, I'll make a little sprite of you running around. So whenever you do anything, like you can maybe call a command, or you can every time someone subscribes, their actual little animation will run around or do something weird. Just some cool, weird, interactive stuff, which again, I'm just trying to figure out how to do it all, what I want to do. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. This is my first stream, so far I think I'm doing okay. I'm trying not to blabber too much, just talk about random stuff. It is I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty hard not just talk about random things. It's also hard to try and concentrate and wrap my head around what I want to do. Right now I'm trying to find iron, but I need food, so I'm gonna get out of here in a second. Let's see. Yeah, very good laptop, low FPS. I think it's just my side. I need to optimize things a little bit more, both on the streaming side and Minecraft. I'm getting out of here. Why am I... Zombies. I don't really give much. I just want to crumb more iron. I'd love the coal as well, but I'll just get charcoal. That's fine. Now let's get the hell out of here. Okay, cool. Let's see. Favorite YouTuber from Serbia has made a few games servers. He loved to create. Yeah, Create Mod's a really good mod. I love Create Mod. I haven't gotten that much into it. I've played it quite a bit actually. I've maybe played for like 7 worlds or 8 worlds with Create Mod, and the most I set up once was I set up a few mob grinding things with Create, which people don't normally do, but I kind of enjoyed it, just making machines that kill mobs and give me XP and stuff. I've set up a lot of farms and stuff, you know, wheat farms, bamboo farms, everything with Create Mod. Some generic things like that, kelp farms, and some automation, like making conveyors, making other things automatically, but not too much. Like, my knowledge about Create is good, but not amazing. Let me read. For the stream, I thought you were writing script and record takes. Yeah, no, so I don't do any scripts, anything like that. People really find that surprising. I know a lot of people can't do it. But for me personally, I've never really found it too difficult. For me, I've never really planned a script. Even when making, even when it comes to just scripting, like programming, I've never actually planned anything. I just do it. So I'll literally just start the video, especially my old videos, like nothing, no retakes, anything. If you go to some of my old videos in Unity, it'll literally be, I just start the recording and go, and I'll have little issues in the video as well. Like you'll be able to see it because I didn't cut any of it out. I'll just be like, sorry, give me a sec, and for two minutes it'll just be me trying to figure out why this isn't working or something. I don't do scripts, and it's a very bad habit. I'm trying to start planning things a little bit more. But yeah, this is why I take long to upload, is I'll spend 3 or 4 days planning something out of my head. I don't like actually testing code and testing things out. But lately I'm trying to force myself to get into habit to make sure things work. But I like to program mentally, like just figure out, is this gonna work? No. Yes. No. What are the issues? Like this level system we just made, the dictionary, there were quite a few things I was like, do I want to put this and that in, whatever? And yeah, from there I'll just figure it out and see how it all goes, and then actually do the video. And if the video is too bad, I'll just delete the footage and retry something else. So yeah, it took me like a week to do that one. So it's 1:44 for you, damn. So yeah, definitely have to stream a bit earlier for you guys. English is not your native language, but I wish I could speak as fluent as you. Yeah, so English isn't actually my native language. My first language is Afrikaans. I'm from South Africa, so I started speaking English pretty early. Like, they taught us it at school, so it became pretty easy pretty fast. Yeah, it's a good language, to be honest. I like English. I think it's the best communication wise. Like, it's easy to understand, it's easy to pick up, and of course so many people speak it that it's like, if you want an easy language to get into, probably English. But I've wanted to learn German for some reason. I've always wanted to learn German or Russian, one of the two. Maybe Japanese. Why am I no? Maybe Japanese. I'm not sure. I would actually love to learn Japanese, but it's so much time to learn language. Thermal throttling. I'm not too sure if it'd be thermal throttling, just because, well, let's just see actually. Let's see what the performance is like right now. So we have 65 degrees on the graphics card. The CPU is barely being used, so half usage. So that wouldn't be thermal throttling. The laptop itself is cold to the touch. Like, I touch it, it's cold. It's a really good laptop, but yeah, I just need to figure out some optimization stuff. We'll see how it all goes. Yeah, I think I'll stream. So right now it's 10:49, so we've been streaming for 45 minutes. I think we'll stream to maybe 1 in the afternoon for me, 2, which of course isn't great for you, Navo. You have to sleep. It's 2 in the morning for you almost, so you're probably going to sleep in a minute. But that's why I wanted to stream today too, is it's the weekend, so people actually stay up. Yeah, we'll see how it all goes. Next stream, definitely, when I actually stream, I'll schedule it a whole day before, so you guys will know the exact time, be able to plan if you actually want to come look at stream and stuff, all that stuff. I'll definitely work on a better thumbnail. This thumbnail, I made it up in like 5 minutes, and I thought it was just okay. You know, I'm holding Minecraft in my hand, and we're gonna play some Minecraft. I thought it was pretty funny. Very generic thing to do though, you know, holding something in your hand. 2:48 here in Ukraine, of course. All right, so everybody watching, other people who was late. That's what I meant, man. I had so many issues of setting up the stream, so yeah, the big issue was just the login stuff. It just didn't work. And I go to sleep, I get up, it just works. It's using my new phone number and everything. I had a verification problem, so I used my old phone number when it really shouldn't have. Like, it just shouldn't have. There's no reason it should have actually used that old number. I keep breaking my bed. I shouldn't have used that old number. It shouldn't have used that old number, sorry. For some reason it just did. I have no idea why. What does it take to make the skin? Oh, I can actually make that. I don't know why it used my old number. Yeah, it's all okay now. It all works now. Thank goodness. I was scared I was still going to have issues today. Tried learning Japanese, German, and Russian as a native Serbian speaker. Russian, quite easy, but German is a lot harder than Japanese. Yeah, so German, it shouldn't be too bad, because Afrikaans, my native language, a lot of words are, let's just say, very inspired from German and some other languages. So it shouldn't be too bad for me to pick up from what I've seen, but yeah, it's a lot of time, but eventually I'd love to learn it. Currently I'm learning Japanese, but I don't have much time to learn. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, it's very time consuming. And I really respect people that actually go ahead and learn a lot of things. Let's try this helmet out, see what this is about. Warrior helmet. Up to 20% damage when injured, plus 5% damage of axes. It's pretty cool. I do want to make a water bucket though, because I want to make a farm here. Yeah, the cool helmet's gonna have to wait. I really want to make a farm. Because food is a big issue, and I don't want to kill all the animals constantly, because it just spawn rates and stuff. Yeah, there's some more mods I'll install, like tool stats, some other things to actually figure things out. Understand things better. Yeah. If you guys have any suggestions on what maybe would make streams more, I really didn't mean to do that. What would make streams catch attention more? What personally for you is a little better? Like, what about the thumbnail could be improved? What schedule method? The hell is this? I guess there's a cave. What scheduling and stuff? I was thinking on Twitter and Instagram, announce the stream every time. That's why I need the Quark mod, so I can actually see this. Yeah, I was thinking announce on Twitter, Discord, and Instagram that I'm streaming, and of course YouTube will announce it as well. So that's 4 platforms I'll be announcing that I'm streaming on, which should hopefully grab a bit of attention. Yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, maybe there's something else I could do that I don't know of. I'll do some more research and stuff. It has been a very busy week. It is not the best to come home and just try learn these things. I like to chill a bit. But yeah. Thanks, Nava. I appreciate it, man. And good night. Hope you get a good sleep in, bro. Yeah, we'll see how the streaming stuff goes. How many people watch. What I'm hoping for is that 10 individual people actually come to check out the stream, which is in a few hours. So we'll stream for like 4 hours maybe. And then when we stream for the 4 hours, I'll just afterwards go to the analytics and check how many people actually drop by. I can see the number going up and down constantly between 3 and 4 and 5, which means there are quite a few people coming and going and stuff like that. And of course, Andrew and Nava, you guys are talking the most, so at least there's some communication, which is helping a lot. I really appreciate it. Of course, Nava just went to sleep, but Andrew, I appreciate you, man. You make this a lot easier because it's easy to talk when someone asks a question. Yeah, I just want to see some stats, see how many people look, and this is with a very bad setup right now. Of course, there was the scheduling, so no one knew, oh, you know, Sunday Game Dev Night's going to stream. Well, Saturday Game Dev Night's going to stream, let's check them out. No one knew that, so I think if I do things a little bit better, you should get quite a few more people in here. And once I set things up a little bit more, like get a nice overlay, adjust the camera, work on optimization so things run a bit better. But yeah, is the laptop your main PC? So yes, I sold my PC before moving to Australia, which was a little while ago now. and I had a very, very strong PC. It was a monster. So it only had 16 gigs of RAM, but it had a very nice CPU. And I had a RX 6800 XT, and that thing was a monster. Like I played on 2K, so you know, twice 1080p's performance. And I could literally play any game I want, maxed out settings on 2K. It was a monster, amazing PC. But yeah, it's too big, it's bulky, it's expensive, like electricity. It's a very, very power hungry system. Yeah, it was a monster of a computer, but I just needed to let it go. And this laptop coincidentally came out very soon after. So what they did is, I think this is Asus, so it's an Asus gaming laptop, and it's their brand new model. But what they did is they wanted to get rid of their old stock of the RTX 2050s. So they shoved a few of them into these brand new laptops, and it's just amazing. This thing is definitely a powerhouse. I know so far it's not the best, but again, I think that's just my fault as well with performance. I haven't set things up great, so hopefully we'll get that to go a little bit better. I'm going to smelt all of that into charcoal and go get some more wood from over here, and then I think we'll head back into the caves, get some more iron, and maybe hopefully get a full set, just some pants and just some like 2 spare pickaxes. I'd love to get a diamond, you know, just a diamond to make me feel nice right now. I'm just seeing that blue money, but we'll see how that goes. I'll throw away this hoe as well. But yeah, the next video is recorded, so this one is the actual level select one. So yeah, it's working pretty nicely. Currently there's a world map. You just move the actual pirate on the map to whichever level you want to select, and it'll give you a prompt to actually play the level, and it'll show your stats for that level. Yeah, but it's pretty good. I'm just going to work on a thumbnail after the stream, so I'm just going to make a thumbnail for that video. I was thinking about just taking a screenshot of like an old Mario map and calling the video Mario style Godot tutorial, whatever, for the platform series, just to get a little bit more attention. The views have been good. I think the latest video has 500 or at least close to 500 views, so you know, it's not bad or anything, but I wanted to pick up a little bit more. I'm going to invest some money into advertisements and stuff for YouTube too. I've talked about to some people about, what is that? He's wearing the warrior armor. So yeah, I'm gonna invest some of my own money on some advertisements and stuff, just to try boost my channel a slight amount. Yeah, we'll see how it all goes. So I'm just gonna try make more targeted content. 1.5 years ago, I bought a PC kit on AliExpress, 9X motherboard, E5 CPU. Yeah. That is a very nice deal. Damn, that's a very nice kit. Yeah, it's actually great. I can definitely. Oh, okay, dude, the damn crow stealing the. Stop stealing the wheat. Okay, well, I need to figure this out. I did not think about the crows from that mod. The mod has like a dictionary. I'll just go for a dictionary, see what it says about crows before I lose my damn mind. I still can't believe we started off the stream by just dying immediately. Like, I know it wasn't my fault because I looked at the chat. It's a little bit excusable, but man, I really didn't want to die. Cool. Let's whip out this book right now. See what it's all about. Animal dictionary. So where is a crow? There we go, crow. Crows are noisy birds found in forests and plains. These creatures are considered pests since they can often be found encircling fields and damaging crops' growth. A simple carved pumpkin is enough to scare away any crows from a small field. These birds will usually scatter and take to the skies whenever closely approached. Crows will pick up any food item they can fit in their beaks and devour it. Despite the broody appearance, crows can actually be tamed, tossing them some pumpkin seeds. Tamed crows are extremely useful creatures with a variety of different uses. Yeah, I've found that the cache does actually matter quite a bit. CPUs of higher cache definitely run quite a lot better. I think this one has 18 megabyte cache. Let's just see if it even shows here. I'm not too sure if it will. CPU. So that's 4 megabytes. It's close to 24 megabytes of cache. So yeah, not great, but not terrible. You know, a lot of other Core i5s have like 12 megs, or 8 megs even. So yeah, seems we need pumpkins. I guess it could be fun to explore a bit. We'll run around, look if we can find some pumpkins. And then we can get into mining again. Because yeah, I want to get some sustained food coming in. I don't want all the crows to mess it up. So let's go get that. Yeah, next video is recorded. Gonna give it a Mario style thumbnail just to grab some more attention. Because people will be like, oh cool, I can make the Mario style map. And Godot. Yeah. And then the video after that, which I will actually just record today as well, because it's going to be an easy video. It's just going to be me explaining how all the systems I made work. So that will just be like, you know, how does the immediate pumpkins? Lovely. It'll just be explaining how the actual systems are made of code works and how you can use it to just very easily make yourself small levels. I don't know if I really want to. Whoa! Okay, dude. I don't know if I want to kill these sheep. But you know what? I want food. I'm not gonna wait for farming. That's peasant moves. Kill the sheep, kill the cows, and then take the meat and go mine. Is power draw really that important for you? Is electricity expensive where you live? Yeah, it does make quite the impact on, like, you know, rent costs of living. Rent is, so I'm just in Australia, but I'm not too sure about rent, power costs specific, like the actual exact prices. But if you think about my old computer, so that was a 950 watt computer that was pretty much always drawing max power. So if you think about that, that is, I should say it's at least like having an 800 watt heater running all day. So like a normal heater is normally around 1800 or 2000 watt. So essentially imagine having a heater running all day every day, and yeah, that makes quite a big impact on actual power usage. Yeah, it was a beast. It was a monster. Very strong. So yeah, it did make a big performance impact for me. But this laptop right here, this thing's like 120 watts, or like, I think it could go up to 200 based on performance, like what I'm doing. I don't really want to go all the way to the village because we have to run all the way back. But I want to get that wheat, make some bread. Yeah, it was crazy computer. So it was actually really cool too. The 6800 XT graphics card, it was one of the first models. So I literally pre-ordered it as it came out. So I got one of the like first 100 of that graphics card that was made. It's pretty cool. Sadly, I threw away the damn box for some reason like an idiot. But of course the serial number should be on the graphics card somewhere to like prove that it is one of the early models, which is kind of cool. Yeah, I sold it. I told the person I sold it to that if they ever want to get rid of it, please let me know. Like, I'd love to rebuy the graphics card specifically just to get it, because it's a cool thing to have like a early version of something cool. But yeah, just way too power hungry. It just, yeah, it wasn't the best either when it comes to like encoding. The AMD cards, I love them. They're definitely the best. I prefer them over RTX, but their encoding is terrible. The quality, if you go to my older videos, like the start of this channel, everything before Godot was recorded on that computer. So if you go to anything like that, this is some terrible trades. If you got anything like that, you'll just see that the quality's terrible, and that's on that monster of a computer. Of course, YouTube plays part 2. Those older videos, YouTube does lower the bitrate because, of course, it's not popular. When the channel was very small. But not saying the channel is huge now, but it's definitely growing quite a bit, and I'm very happy with it. But yeah, the AMD cards, their encoding is just, it's so ugly. Everything, just the colors look off. There's these weird, I forgot what you call them. artifacts. Yeah, artifacts. There's just a lot of random things that shouldn't be there. Like the old videos, you'll see there'll be like a pink line in the middle of the screen, very very mildly. Yeah, yeah. AMD encoding said performance and just for what you're getting, like what you're paying for what you're getting is great. It's really great. Like the performance is absolutely amazing. Like I love it. Like I think if you're trying to make a budget gaming setup, AMD's just much better. Like for what you're getting, it's the bomb. It's the best. But yeah, quality wise, terrible. Definitely not for recording stuff like that. If I knew that beforehand, I would have done it. But again, I got that PC before doing any other streamings. I mean, streaming. I'm saying streaming stuff when this is my first stream. Any of the YouTube stuff, recording and stuff. I didn't expect to be doing that. Yeah, RX 580. I used that for a very long time. Actually, that was my first PC setup. So I had an older YouTube channel called Enchanting SCFU. You can still find it. It has a single video because I deleted all the other videos, but I used to record Minecraft videos on there. I used the 580. It wasn't too bad. It wasn't great. It did struggle, but I only played very outdated mod packs. So I played very old versions of Minecraft. So the graphics card actually recorded and ran it pretty well. Yeah, $70. It's a cheap and still very good graphics card to just have. I have some friends that still use it. And yeah, I actually gave that old PC to a friend. One of the 580 that I used to do YouTube on. I just gave it to him as a gift. He didn't have a computer, so I was like, just have it. Yeah, great card for the price. Yeah, that's just what I mean, man. Like when it comes to prices for performance, AMD just absolutely outweighs Nvidia. Like it's just way better performance for what you're paying. But yeah, luxury wise, Nvidia's better. Like if you want to have a cooler setup or impress people more, someone's like, oh, what laptop do you have? If I say I have just saying the words RTX is like, whoa, like a big thing. Yeah, it is nice to have. And of course the video quality, the recording quality is just beautiful. But yeah, I'll definitely adjust things, make this a lot better next time. I'd love to get it to the point of actually having a shader installed. I think a shader would just help with keeping people around, like make everything cozy and look better. On YouTube, I constantly see videos of people buy RT. Yeah, secondhand or just from like scummy sites. You'll definitely get a lot of those cards for way cheaper. It's amazing. It's really cool. I love AMD. I love AMD. There's not really much I hate about them. I never really had all the software issues people would complain about, like oh yeah, an update comes out, my AMD card's broken. I never really had those problems, so I've always had very high praise for AMD. I definitely think they just give more to the community, is what I'm trying to say. They're better. Yeah, we'll head into the mines now. I think I'll save the leather because I don't want to make this whole warrior set. Yeah, so for now I'm just gonna go get some iron. Cool. Yeah, I was thinking about getting a very budget PC going and then maybe hosting a Minecraft server. And yeah, for that, I definitely want to do it. I just need a little bit more money income. We'll see how things go. The current job I'm working pays good. Like it's a good job, but yeah, it's about picking up Uber Eats on the side. Uber Eats is actually, from what I've heard, not too bad. Like you can actually make quite a bit of money just doing that in your spare time for fun. Like it's fun driving around, so it's like it's a job that you enjoy. You just drive around, deliver food, get a bit of money, call it a day. Easily make like 20 or 30 bucks a day just doing some Uber Eats on the side. If you did it full time, you can actually make like a good salary out of it if you get lucky. But yeah, we'll see how it all goes. There's a lot of things I'm gonna do. The streaming stuff should get a lot better too, and hopefully longevity wise stuff gets better. So right now it's just 2 people are watching, and I'm pretty sure it's just you, Andrew, and actually me on my phone. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's not the best. There's a lot I need to improve to hopefully grab more attention. Yeah, this is just a testing stream. And right now things are holding up. I don't know how the recording is specifically doing. For me, I'm getting the same consistent frame rate, more or less. So overall things have been pretty damn good here. Yeah. Laugh out loud. I see how it is, bro. Laughing at my 2 views. Nah, it's okay. I didn't actually, honestly, I didn't expect like anyone to come look. Because all this just went wrong. Like, I press the schedule button and it just goes live. I don't know if my time zone on my YouTube is wrong or something, but I press go live and it went live. It's meant to schedule and it just didn't schedule. It's meant to be a little build up for 2 hours and then I stream, which hopefully would have given like some people a little bit of like a, oh, let's drop by. Because I think another big thing too is if there's a lot of people and some people immediately start talking, that grabs the attention of other people too. Like other people will want to stay if they see us talk. But the stream started, it was just me, and then you joined and said hello, and it was like, I think there was 6 people when it started that just came by and said hello. Yeah, I definitely need to set up things better. I think what I could maybe completely change my sleep schedule. Like maybe I just sleep really early when I get home and get up super early in the morning and stream before I go to work, because that's when everyone gets home from work in America. I don't mind Shaft. That could be my best chances. It's just I need some dripstone to make lava. Yeah. If you didn't know, which you probably already do know, Andrew, if you put lava above dripstone, it does drip into a cauldron and makes more lava. So that has been my personal favorite method lately, to actually make lava instead of going searching for, what is this? Oh, it's a structure from one of the mods. Yeah, we'll clear out these mobs and get a nice look at this. Because I know a lot of people haven't seen this mod yet because it just came out a week ago. It's already blown up, but yeah, let's see. I would love to work for Uber Eats because before... Ah! Okay, dude. Hi, Da. Welcome, man. Haven't seen you for a while. I saw one of your comments. I can't remember how long ago. I think it was like a month ago I saw your comment. Welcome. I would love to work for Uber Eats because before I was cycling 30 kilometers every day to work and from, it was amazing. No, don't even go outside, don't work to go outside at all, have no life. I think it's alright. You know, it's definitely rough, not going out. Me, personally, I enjoy it, but that's just because I've been, like, playing games, doing development. Like, there's a lot of things for me to do that keeps me entertained. But yeah, definitely, I have gone through phases where it was like, I'm only at home, only play games, and it's just not great. Even when it comes to work, if you're doing stuff online, like work online from home, if you're just doing that all day, every day, definitely becomes a little bit rough. I hope things improve there though. Uber Eats, yeah, that stuff over there is really rough, and I know that it's terrible. I hope it all ends and gets a little bit better. It's crazy that it's gone on for so long. I haven't done too much research on the whole, not research, but I haven't kept up. Yeah, first couple of months it's not the same. Yeah, that's also the thing. Like you do it and you're like, oh yeah, no, this isn't bad, I can do that, and then you do it for like 7 months and then you it's just terrible. Yeah. it is like a prison. Yeah, hope things get better. I personally haven't kept up too much with that stuff, like the wars and stuff. Even the stuff right now, like, I shouldn't talk about it. I've seen there's a lot of people getting in a lot of mess, especially on YouTube, that just mention the stuff happening right now. Let's just say in the Eastern world. Let's just not get into that. I know YouTube is very finicky. If you even just mention some of the country names and stuff, YouTube will just punish you for some reason. Why is a crow down here? But yeah, hope things get better. It has to. Things just have to get better. I hope it does. But yeah, Uber Eats. I think I'll do that on the side and try to do streaming as well. Definitely put a little bit more effort into the actual streams, like I said. Well, we'll figure it all out. This is I almost want to say I view this channel as a community thing, but there's no way that skeleton just shot me like that when I'm running on an angle. I thought I was fine, but I'm not. That's actually very frustrating. Do you cycle? I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I'm a very unhealthy guy. I don't cycle. My work. I don't want to get too much into what I actually do, but I'm dead again. I'm just gonna die. Run back down again. I feel like they've turned up how fast skeletons shoot over the last while. Is that just me? Like, they just rapid fire. They're so fast. Yeah, work. I'll say what it is. I do plastic fabrication. So, what that is just you get a job sheet for something you have to do, and you just put it together. So it'd be like doing a little project of a hobby or something. Same vibe. So you get a little job. It's like you have to build this, put it together. Cool, do it, get it over with. Sign off the paper, let it go. So I have no idea how we're gonna get to where I died, because I don't have any tools, don't have any food. But yeah, so oh wait, there it is. Like big water tanks, plastic tanks, whatever. Make it all from scratch. So build it up, and yeah. But it does. So I'm on my feet all day, and it is very exhausting work. So I normally get home and I'm so drained. I don't even play games lately. Like I'll get home, I'll just lie on the couch and just zone out. Like it's very tiring work, but pays good, works. It's okay. It's not the best. It could be better. You know, there's a few things I don't like about it, but you know, the good people I work with, good people. Routine work. Yeah, so no, it is full time. When I meant the job sheet thing, I didn't mean it's like I get something and I just do it when I want to. It is I go into a place and I work all day. I just meant like I'll do multiple different things constantly. So one day I'll be making a water tank or a chemical tank or something, and big too. I don't mean like small. Like I make like a 30,000 liter thing, and then we ship it off to wherever. I don't want to die again, but I can't concentrate when I'm talking. Yeah, it's good work. Very interesting. I never even knew about it before I did it. Please don't kill me. Oh, there's so many skeletons. You know, I just want to say, man, I think you brought me bad luck, because before you joined, there was nothing like this happening. I died once, and now it's just I'm dying over and over. I'm not blaming you, I'm joking. I'm gonna die again. But yeah, so that work, I was thinking, do the work, get home. I normally get home around 3 in the afternoon, so it's not too late. But I was thinking I can maybe on the way home, because I drive through the city where I live, very, very active area. I was thinking I could just get Uber Eats and then pick up some jobs along the way home. So just on the way home, if there's like 2 or 3 jobs, like, oh, deliver a pizza here, deliver a pizza there, give someone a burger, whatever, some random things. I should have just left it. You guys are gonna have to bear with me just talking instead of watching something cool. We'll build a base after this. What mod is it? So it's not a mod pack. I just made it myself, threw some mods together. The big mods that you should recognize from name is Create Mod, Alex Mobs, and then just a few smaller ones. I was gonna install AD Astra, which is a space exploration mod. We might in future. Actually, no, I did install it. It is installed. There should be oil in the ocean. We love oil. Oil's the best. Yeah, just a small mod pack. Okay, man. Running down again, boys. Just gonna keep going. Keep happening. Yeah. I think once I start doing some Uber Eats, the only thing is for Uber Eats, if you want to do it, there's some information for you guys too, if you haven't even thought about it, because it is good pay, honestly. You can make up to, I'd say like 25 an hour, 20 an hour if you actually full-time do Uber Eats, other than fuel costs. But yeah, you do need insurance, and a decent level of insurance. I think it's called third-party insurance, which is just when you hit their car, the insurance pays for their car and your car. Because of course Uber doesn't want to be liable for anything like that, because there's probably been some cases where people like take Uber to court and say it's their fault they got in an accident or something and they actually won. So Uber probably brought that in as like a, you have to get insurance, so we can't be liable for whatever happens. So, you know. But yeah, we'll see how that all goes. If I can pick it up, it'll be nice. I just have to get a little bit of money, get the Uber Eats, get the insurance, sorry, and then... Guys! I've actually never seen two diamonds generate that close to each other. So yeah, here we go. So we got create mod. You know, I don't know if you know about it, but yeah, it's just a cool factory mod. So, you know, here we go. You got these cool cogs and stuff going at it. Yeah, we'll make some cool systems of this. I just thought it'd be cool because it's a little more turns your brain on. And we also have Ad Astra, so space exploration. I don't know how the resolution is looking at this stuff. Yeah, I know, Andrew. Diamonds, man, just too easy. Where's the spaceship? So here we got the spaceships and stuff. I wish I could just like view and show you guys. Yeah, we'll get into all that in future. This stream, I just want to get some diamonds, some other things, and I want to get off at 2, so that's in 2.5 hours. Check if there's some extra diamonds. Nope. And yeah, next time we'll get into some more cool stuff. I don't know if I don't need the quads. I worked 7 years on VW electrical wiring. It was hard work, 8 hours a day on your feet. Can't even sit for a minute, but I liked it. Yeah, so that's essentially what I do too. It's you're on your feet the entire day, and it's complex work, so it makes the job actually go a little bit quicker. It's always been my recommendation to people: if you're gonna look for a job, try to get something that keeps your brain on and you're actually constantly thinking. Definitely makes time go poof out of the window. I really wish we got 3 diamonds so we could get some obsidian going. Yeah, if I find another diamond, I'll come back here and grab this. Some nice generation though. Let me just check. I've always had the best luck finding diamonds in water in caves for some reason. Not sure if there's actually like a higher chance for diamonds generated there, but yeah. Haven't heard of the create mod. Oh, you have heard of it, sorry. Yeah, so create mod and then Alex mobs. So of course, pretty much everyone knows about Alex mobs, but if you didn't know, they released Alex Caves finally, which has been a mod that's been worked on for like over a year now, which is just this massive cave overhaul mod for the Alex mobs. It introduces a lot of things, like there's like a primitive world thing, which the primitive world is like there's dinosaurs and stuff, so you'll find like a gigantic cave system that's just dinosaurs and cool stuff. So just some cool little interesting mods. Yeah, create mod, I'll definitely explain what I do if I get into it. You've never tried it. Yeah, it's cool. It is a little overwhelming, but it's cool. Yeah, once I start Uber Eats, and you know, maybe streaming goes well for some reason. Maybe it's like a stream Monday and it's like a bunch of people are there and it all goes well. And YouTube, I don't know, I'm not really sure about YouTube Pay specifically. I've seen some stuff about like specifically smaller channels. I know bigger channels get like a decent amount of money. Like you can definitely live off YouTube pretty easily if you're big. But smaller channels specifically, I haven't seen too much about it. But from what I've seen, it isn't actually too bad. Like this one channel uploads like one video every second month and they get like 80,000 views and they get like $30, $20, if even that, which, you know, you think in retrospect that's nothing because it's like 80,000 views. But if you think about it, if you upload consistently and you get even more views, like if let's say I upload at least twice a week, and let's say that makes me even just $20 extra a week, that does add up in the long term. And if those videos somehow do well, they might make a lot more than $20. Yeah, we'll see how it all goes. I'm not too sure, but definitely if Uber Eats goes well, YouTube goes well, I'll get some more money in, and my work goes well, let's say I get a raise or something, definitely invest into some cool things. I'm going to invest into advertisements for the channel, so I want my videos to actually pop up everywhere and get like a lot of attention, and definitely invest into some other third-party things, maybe some actual like social media advertisements, stuff like that. And also I want to release a damn game finally on Steam. I feel like if I actually some more diamonds over there, we're having really good luck. I take it back, Dar, you're not bad luck. Maybe you're good luck. But Yeah, I think definitely releasing a game on Steam, if I release a game and it does decently, which I do have a pretty good idea for a nice game to release, there's a lot of diamonds, wow. If that does well, the channel should get a bit more attention as well, especially if other Godot channels review the games. Like I know there's a few channels that actually review games quite a lot, like specifically Godot games. And if my game was on Steam, they reviewed a game, show it to everyone. It's just, that's a lot of like attention, and the channel should do good. But yeah, I just want a little bit more money. I don't want to like live off of YouTube specifically. Like I mean, it'd be nice, but I just want a bit to be more comfortable. And then maybe, like I said, host my own Minecraft server, host some other stuff, get you guys more involved, maybe pay people to do more stuff, like actually make a proper stream over, like just improve the channel, just figure out what could be done better, pay for an editor eventually. That'd be really nice if someone could actually edit the videos, because I personally don't have the time. It takes me about 2 hours to actually record a video when it comes to thinking about what to do, what the struggle is, and it's also just exhausting to do, especially if things go wrong, like I make a lot of bugs, or the recording is just terrible, or I struggle to talk a lot. Like sometimes I stutter quite a bit for some reason, like maybe that's just from being tired from work or something, but I'll sometimes try to record and it's just I'll just struggle to talk quite a lot. Yeah, definitely do that. Pay for some improvements for channeling. Hopefully it just goes better. I'm just looking into making something I enjoy doing, like a hobby. So that if that all goes nice, you know, could be cool. But yeah, I need to figure out how to get back into this mine shaft. I didn't actually want to jump down here. It's just so greedy for the diamonds. Should be an easy way up here. Yeah, I should be able to get up here. Yeah, we'll see how the Minecraft stuff goes. I think I'll give it a go for like a month or two, like just once a week stream, see how much you guys enjoy it. Especially when things are a little bit set up better, like performance and also just the stream itself, proper announcement stuff. See how much people enjoy it. And maybe I'll just do it as a full-on thing, like once a month. I mean, once a week. I always just... We got a good little item over here. Could be cool, doing some Minecraft. Let me just sort my inventory, throw away anything I don't need. So let's see what this superstitious hat does. Applies an extra level of looting when killing enemies. That's cool. I kind of wish it was just fortune though, not looting. Grab the torches. Grab the redstone. I don't really need it yet. The diamonds are very nice. Golden apple's nice. I think there could be better options than Minecraft. Yeah, that's the thing too. So I'll test Minecraft, see how people feel about that. Minecraft will just be once a week again. I'm gonna do programming streams, so of course people who are watching me for programming, they're gonna get their, you know, share of what they actually want to see. But I just thought Minecraft would be better as a way to, I don't know, split up attention. Like, I just personally think it'll be boring to every single time just stream game development. Like, I feel like people will get sick of it if it's just, oh, here I go coding for an hour and maybe fixing some bugs. Like, I can see it being entertaining. I've personally watched some streams, like programming streams. It's not too bad, but when it comes to only doing that, I think you need to introduce something else. So I thought Minecraft could be a good option because people are neutral about Minecraft. Half people like it, half people, barely anyone doesn't like it, and yeah, even if you don't know much about Minecraft, you could still get entertainment out of it. But we'll see what other options there are. Maybe different games. I could try maybe just a different game every week. I have like 200 games on my Steam account, so I could like just play some different games, see how people feel about that. Whatever. We could call it like Gaming Fridays or something, where I just play for a couple of hours when like people finish work on a Friday. This is interesting generation. I don't want to break this spawner. I'm actually going to save where the spawner is. So spider spawner 1. I'm going to disable it so it doesn't show up constantly because it's annoying. There we go. So that's saved. Definitely going to grab the name tag. Going to leave the horse armor. There's no point really having it. The iron, I don't really want to take up my inventory space just for iron ingots because, you know, we have a bunch of iron ore, so it's not really necessary. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions of what else to stream, of course I thought maybe like 3D modeling streams, voxel art streams. Like you said, Andrew, you knew about my voxel art. You remember that. Just anything else that could be entertaining. I'm definitely up for doing pretty much everything. This is making me in the mood to play Minecraft. Yeah. So yeah, that's the thing too. So like, it could be cool to have like a big Minecraft server or something that you guys can join me on or whatever. Yeah. I enjoyed Adam Yukan streams on Twitch. You seen him? No, I haven't seen him. What did he stream? Was it just game development as well? The streamer, the person I've watched stream game development specifically is Randall. Might have heard of him, might not have. He's pretty big. He used to be a bit bigger because he used to be more dedicated to it, but he made a little bit of money and he just took more time to himself, which is fair enough because he spent like years just uploading 24/7, so he took a big break and he's more chilled now. But yeah, he used to stream non-stop and I watched a bit of his streams every not once in a while. But yeah, melon seeds are kind of nice. Glowberries, can we use that? We can mix them to make biomass, which is used to make bioethanol, which is used to make something. You know, we'll create mods. Confusing. We'll get into that in no time. I think there's a spider spawn down there. He makes pixel art 2D platformer. He's very popular. Oh, I'll search him up after this. So I have 2 people search up the guy that Navo said, which I'll just scroll through chat and see the YouTuber he said. This is really messed up, by the way. Oh man, I don't know how we're gonna deal with this. Guess I could just kill him from up here. And on YouTube he has tons of pixel art tutorials and videos. Maybe I would have seen him. I would alt tab and look right now, but I just don't really want to do like going for YouTube stuff, like channels and stuff. There isn't much I know about like copyright and stuff when it comes to streaming either. I know a lot of people watch streams and stuff like on Twitch, but I don't know how YouTube rules are because I've never seen someone specifically stream on YouTube and they'd say like watch a video. So I'm not sure how copyright things work. So that's just the only big reason why I don't want to. Hi Colton, how's it going, man? You know, let me just search up his channel. So what's his name? Adam C. Jonas. Hey guys, look, it's me holding a Minecraft block. Oh yeah, this guy. Yeah, I've watched like 2 or 3 of his videos. Never watched the streams though. Yeah, I followed his grass one, like the terrain tutorial, and some other things. That's pretty cool too. I might look into that actually, directional walking. No, let's see how the live stream's doing. So we've got 19 views. That's 19 individual people. So I'm really happy with that. Like I said at the start, I am hoping for at least just 10 people because this isn't properly set up, announcement wise. Stream health, that's running well. There's a warning here. Cool. You know, so everything's good. Stream settings. Yeah. Let's see how my laptop's handling it. So performance. Graphics card's at 65 still, so it was at 65 earlier, so very good. And CPU is still at the same speed. So everything seems good. Cool. Now I still need to figure out why I can't do full screen. Coolton, in case you're wondering why it's not full screen, for some reason when I full screen it freezes, so I'll figure that out eventually. I don't know why it freezes when I do that. Yeah, I like his formula of programming streams. Very good design. I think you could really borrow some of it in the future if you will make programming streams. Cool. Yeah, I'll do some research. I don't really know too much about programming streams and stuff, so I'll see, like you suggested, I'll see what he does, see what he thinks as well. Cloud in a bottle allows a wearer to double jump. Well, we've got double jumping, guys. So yeah, I'll do some research on that. See what other people do before I fully get into it. Oh wait, I haven't put it on. So here we can put our slots on. So we have the cloud in a bottle right there, and we have the leprechaun hat, and we have the creepy. Let me get rid of this block, and we have the creepy cave sounds. There we go. Cool, so now we have double jumping. It's pretty cool. See how it looks. And of course the actual items do shine us visually, like the bottle and stuff, but we can turn that off if it looks a little bit stupid. Like, I don't really like the leprechaun hat too much. I'm gonna leave it off. I like the cloud in a bottle though. Looks nice on my belt. Right, if I tried having as many windows open as you do, my computer would If you saw my Microsoft Edge, I'm not going to show you because I can't remember what I had open last, in case it's like a video where someone just swears right off the bat. I definitely don't just want to instantly get a little flag like that. If that happened, it'd be terrible. But yeah, I do push it. I do push it. This, let's just say this is like rookie numbers, but most of it's just edge assets. Like if you want to see. It's just stuff I've been looking through because when it comes to tutorials and things, I'm constantly looking for free assets I could really use to make some things on, and also just personal stuff like where's this one? So this one's really cool. So this guy made so many little enemies and stuff with all their animations things. As you can see, there's so many. It's really cool. I love it. I love his art style. But yeah, if we go back up. It's just $8 for all of these characters that are all animated and all have their portrait stuff. Very cool. So yeah, that's just open for if I ever try to do that. I do have it bookmarked, so I can close them. But yeah, is Clouded Bottle supposed to be like the one? Yeah, so it's exactly copied from Terraria. There's some other items too which are exactly copied from Terraria. If we look, artifact. Yeah, so here we have. There should be more. So Feral Claws, that's from Terraria as well. It just increases your attack speed. There is also the Power Glove, increases damage. That's from Terraria. There's the Holy Cross Necklace, so that's the same as Terraria as well. Panic Necklace gives you movement so you take damage. As a lot of these are inspired exactly from Terraria. But yeah, sadly on this version of Minecraft there aren't too many other mods that introduce those type of things like trinkets, accessories. So yeah, I'd love to have way more, but in future, definitely will. When it gets updated a bit. So let's try to get out of here. I personally don't want to just dig upwards. But we'll see. Maybe I do just dig upwards. Do a little bit of run around. Maybe we'll find more diamonds too. I've noticed these little big cobblestone patches too. There should be a cave system going out here somewhere. What mod are you using for the items like the Clouded Bottle? So that is the Artifacts mod. Let me just open the mod folder as well. Forge. Okay, now my laptop's gonna die having all these things open. Okay, the frame rate. Okay, it's definitely like 5 less or something. We're passing up on diamonds, huh? Yeah, let's see. So here we have the mod pack. I'll post the mod pack in Discord as well, because why not? So let's see in here. So yeah, if we go, so here's the mod we're using. Artifacts right here. Cool. So yeah, you can see it has an actual physical model for every single thing. And yes, it's just a Terraria mod. There's a lot of other mods that are very similar. Like another one I have installed is called Elytra slot, so that you actually just slot an Elytra on your back, so you don't have to not wear an Elytra armor. Again. I'm sorry. This. No, that's up. I go to, you know, I'm not a, but some make it a little faster and not have this be the world's boringest vein mine. Let's make a diamond pickaxe just to speed it up a little bit. Get a diamond pick. Cool, just chuck that back there. And yeah, cool. Stream is choppy. Yeah, I think it's better now from what I'm seeing. I have it up on my phone, so I can't really see too well, but it doesn't look too choppy anymore. Might just be my computer. I think it's your computer. Yeah, because on my phone everything is still working. Yeah, let's see the CPU load. CPU is still fine. GPU is a little bit up though. It wasn't at 70% before. So I think it's definitely kicking up a little bit. Yeah. Okay, back to yeah, cool, sweet. Yeah, I think it was just opening CurseForge. I just have too many things open because that is just a 6-core CPU. It doesn't like having such a heavy load. Yeah, we're almost at the structure. Sorry, I know this is very boring strip mining. I just want to see what this is about. Oh yeah, choppy, cool. Yeah, the webcam. I do apologize. I'm still waiting on that damn backlight to arrive. If you've been keeping up in Discord, I ordered a backlight, so that'll be much better lighting, and that should help the camera a bit. I have noticed it struggles a little bit with the lighting at the moment. So hopefully when I get that it's better. I'm really curious what this structure is all about. I will admit I'm a little bit scared. I really don't just want to die. But we're going to see what the structure is, because I don't recognize what that is. It looks like a pyramid. I've had to guess. Like a big square structure. Pyramid. Yeah. I also haven't eaten yet or really drunk much, and it's 11:40 in the morning. So, yeah, but the stream, it'll go on for another 2 hours. Yeah, if there's anything else you guys want to see, just let me know in chat. Like, maybe you guys want to watch me do something else. This is just a stress test stream, so just see what is happening. Like you guys say, okay, the camera is getting choppy or messed up because I opened up another thing. It's stuff like that. Sorry, I thought I heard something in game, but no. So yeah, it's just testing stream. Next one should be a bit better. I want to make a nice little overlay with some fancy little animations just to visually make things a little bit better. Also figure out the camera size as well. I don't know how I feel about how big it is right now. It feels a little wide, so I might make the camera a little like thinner. Also the creepy sounds in my ear. Also the game not even being full screen is also very annoying. I'll have to figure out why that's happening. Because when I tested it before, it doesn't happen when recording. So I don't know why it freezes for streaming. Yeah, when I record, it's fine. I think this is a skeleton temple. Favorite video game genre. And speaking of water, so I got this big 10-liter jug. So I'm just going to drink from this real quick. I'm going to mute myself. Favorite video game genre. Cool. And also, yeah, this is a skeleton structure. I recognize this now. So this might be a little bit rough. I don't know if we're ever going to be able to do it. Might have to leave it for another time. But let's just... A bow with infinity right off the bat is a very nice find. Also, this music's kind of nice. No, the F11 full screen, we tried it before and it just died. Yeah, you could chat way of drinking. Okay, dude. It would be cool to separate you from the background, like turn off light in the room and have separate light in the way it illuminates it. Yeah, so stuff like that. I was thinking maybe even getting a green screen that just fades a little away. I know you can get some pretty cheap green screens now because they're so popular. So I was thinking maybe getting a green screen in the back. Maybe once I get a backlight, I can also close the window. Because right now, it plays a bit with background distraction, the window being open. There's a lot going on. So definitely look into getting a green screen backlight and just improving some things to make it more engaged. Listen to the skeletons, man. I don't know if I even want to have a sneak peek here. Hello. Ow. Cool. Let's see what's in here. Smite 2. I would take that, but it's Smite 2. It's not amazing. The lead. I'm gonna take the lead just in case. I don't really want to make animals follow me with wheat and stuff because it's annoying. You know, guys, we're gonna get back to this place. I'm not doing this right now. It's a very bad idea to do this right now. So we're gonna dig out of here, and what I'm actually gonna do is something a bit interesting. I'm going to dig a little water hole over here, like so. And when we dig upwards out of here, actually I can leave this cobblestone for something. I'll take the little smidge of iron instead of the cobblestone. Cool. We're gonna dig 2 blocks so we can just jump down when we want to come back down here and loot this place. There's also another structure in that direction I'm seeing on the map. Right there's a structure. Yeah. Oh, there's a mine shaft here and a mine shaft there and a mine shaft. There's a lot of mine shafts in this world. What is going on? Yeah, this is an interesting way to look at the generation for my programming friends that are watching. Pretty cool. I can't remember what the noise is called that Minecraft uses, but I don't think it's Perlin. I don't think this is Perlin noise. Like, it's very interesting. Yeah, obviously this generation has been refined for years. So yeah, let's just dig up on out of here. Cool. Let me dig that too. Just to kind of point this is the right way, I'll close that up. Cool. So yeah, we're just gonna tower out like this and just dig upwards. Better go, have a good day. Sweet Andrew, thanks for dropping by, man. Have a nice night. And have a great day tomorrow. Cool. Very nice talking to you. I'm trying to think, do I want to build a house or do we want to do something else? Because it could be cool to explore, like a look for structures. I think just getting storage and then chucking everything in storage and going to look for a structure might be the funnest thing for us to do. Or again, doing something else if you guys want to see anything else. Oh, I didn't even see what my favorite genre is. Sorry about that. Damn. Crazy of me. Sorry, Colton. Favorite video game genre. That's really hard, you know. It's hard to decide because I'm someone who's played a lot of genres. Like, I'd show my Steam page right now, but I don't have my name hidden and stuff, and I don't want to reveal that. Damn. I want to say first-person shooter, but it's not. It's not my favorite. I think my favorite personally is ARPGs. Well, just RPGs. So, like, you know, the Diablo games, stuff like that. Sweet, welcome Ochronic. Thanks for dropping by, man. Can't stay long. I can never get into this game. Yeah, it's fine. So this stream, in case you're wondering, I know you're only staying here for a little bit. I'll just quickly tell you what the kind of schedule is or plan is. I will be streaming programming. This stream right now is just to actually test performance, see how the laptop handle things. So yeah, next time when you drop by, man, it'll be programming, stuff like that. Maybe some 3D modeling, whatever, pixel art. So yeah, thanks for dropping by though, bro. I really appreciate it. Appreciate the like as well. My favorite is Metroidvanias. Metroidvanias are really fun. I do enjoy them. One of my favorite, which is kind of like a 3D Metroidvania. It isn't a Metroidvania specifically, but it's very similar. It's called Lunacid. So it's a 3D one, and it's very cool. Yeah, there's a lot of other genres I like as well. But I would say ARPGs are my favorite. So like Path of Exile, Diablo, all those things are my favorite. Really enjoyed learning Godot with your videos. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. It does make me feel a lot better knowing people actually like enjoy the tutorials. Because yeah, it is tough to think about when I make a video and it's like, is this a good video? Yes or no? But yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, so we'll stream some game development. I was thinking streaming like the actual programming of the tutorials before I do them. So you know, you guys could see like the back end of like, let's test some code, let's test some systems, see whatever, and yeah, I think that'd be a cool stream because of course you guys, like you specifically, can actually make some suggestions like, oh, I think you should use this and that for this and that to actually make the system a little bit more optimized or whatever. So yeah, cool. Next time will be a programming stream, definitely. Probably Monday. So if you're looking for when it would be, Monday, if you want to look out. So that is Australian Monday, which that should be Monday. I think that's Monday everywhere else except for America. So it should be like late at night Sunday for America, as when I'll be streaming. But Monday in the afternoon everywhere else. So if you're in Asia, Europe, whatever, you'll see me in the afternoon Monday. I've been trying to get into the new Pokemon game and I'm really not feeling it. But I mean, $80 is $80. Which Pokemon game? Because I've not been keeping up. The last one I got was... I have my Switch right next to me, but I completely forgot. Pokemon Violet. That's the last one I got. So I think that one came out last year. That's one I got. I didn't play it too much. I think I got like 15 hours on it. And it just... Like you said, you try to get into it. I wasn't feeling it either, you know? Yeah, Violet. Yeah. So yeah, we played the same one. Yeah, it was cool. It's just... I didn't like it too much. I don't know why. I never really got into Pokemon though. It was more just my partner plays it. And I was like, you know what? Everybody loves the Pokemon series. Maybe I should just give it a go as well. Play a new one. Because I've always been interested in it. I just never played it. But I do like it. I think it's a cool genre. Series, not genre. But yeah, never got into it. And yeah, Violet, cool though. It is cool. Like, there's some cool things about it. I think a lot of it was done nicely from what I know about Pokemon. They didn't do too badly. So we're going to waypoint this as the Skeleton Dungeon drop down. It's cool. In case you're wondering why I disable things, so now you can see wherever we are, we see that right there, the big S, and it says the name. So I just disable it so we don't see it because it's annoying. Except for the base, because we always want to know where the base is, and it's nice to know. Whoa, wait a minute, this double jump. Okay, so it's like the Terraria double jump, but just more steroids, I guess. What's your favorite Switch game? Favorite Switch game? That's tough. So, I personally haven't played too many Switch specific games. But my favorite would be... It's really hard to decide between Mario Odyssey and Zelda Breath of the Wild. I haven't played the new one yet. I forgot the name. I know it's something to do with time. Not Ocarina of Time. I think that's the old one. Whoa. This double jump is crazy. I'm not going to use this. Favorite one. If it's between Mario and Zelda, Breath of the Wild. Definitely my favorite. But Mario Odyssey is definitely comes second. There's nothing that tops that. I did play Animal Crossing too, but I didn't play it too much. I couldn't get very into it because it's just, that is not my thing normally. I do like those style of games, like Stardew is one of my favorite games. So, look at these crows. They ate absolutely everything. Tears of the Kingdom, yeah. I hate these crows, man. I heard one too. I hear it again. I'm gonna kill all these crows in a minute. Yeah. Sorry, I just got a message and we could respond to that from someone. I would have just left it, but I should respond. Yeah, so Animal Crossing, my partner got me into it. Not like specifically like into it, but she wanted to get it for herself, so she got it. And I just found it kind of interesting, so I was like, you know what, I'll get it to and pick it up, see what it's like. And yeah, Animal Crossing, I liked it, but it's just, I don't want to say there's not enough to do, but there just isn't. Like, that's how I feel about it. Like, it's just, I personally just felt like there wasn't really enough to do compared to something like Stardew or whatever. I know you shouldn't just compare other genres, but there's so much potential for Animal Crossing that just wasn't really reached. So yeah, we'll see what that is all about. This is the last reply I'll do. Cool. See if you guys said anything else. Cool. Sweet. So yeah, my favorite is Breath of the Wild. There we go. Yeah. I don't know if an infinity bow is really cool. I think I'm gonna keep that on me. What would you say your favorite is, Dar? Oh, sorry, you literally just said that as I asked. My favorites are Animal Crossing and both Zeldas. Yeah. So yeah, Animal Crossing, I do like it. It's a good game. It's interesting. It's just for me specifically, I wish there was a little bit more. If there was just the slightest amount more they did, I'd definitely play it a lot more. I would have probably gotten really into it. I maybe have like 18 hours in it. Not a lot. Breath of the Wild definitely has my most hours on Switch. I think I have like 40 hours on Breath of the Wild. I still want to finish it. I got the Master Sword, stuff like that. I did bug the Master Sword though, like I got it through an exploit, because I really don't enjoy the durability system. If the durability system wasn't a thing for like weapons and stuff, I would have definitely played through Breath of the Wild 100%. Yeah, I don't like the durability system. For me, it's personally just a bit annoying having to constantly juggle through what you have on you and stuff like that, and make sure you don't like break your weapon. It's a frustrating way for me to enjoy games. Minecraft is probably the only durability system I don't mind. Everything else, I'm not too sure, really. Oh wait, I need 1 arrow on me for the bow. Cool. So coal, a single piece of charcoal. Chuck that in there. There we go. Got food for days. Yeah, this stuff is cool. I'm gonna keep that separate. So I'll show you this book in a second. I think you'll like this book's design. It's kind of cool, especially if you like Zelda type stuff. Put the table down. Put the paper in the table. Oh wait, never mind. So yeah, this is kind of cool though. We'll try this out too. I haven't actually done this personally. I can't remember how to do it, but we'll see how to do it. And yeah. How late is it for you, Dar? Where you are? Out of curiosity. I'm trying to figure out times and stuff of the streams. I don't think we'll plant the carrots yet. There's no point. I'm gonna take this cauldron with a dripstone. Oh, I forgot to grab a bucket of water. Oh, Lime, you're still here. Do some stretches. You've been sitting there for an hour. You know what, Lime? I think you're right, man. I'm gonna do them off camera because I'm embarrassed. Here, I'm gonna stretch, do a little bend over. Oh, stretch my legs. I really need to work on my flexibility. Cool, stretch to the side. Stretch forward like so. For work, actually, I have to do stretches at work like that. It's a necessary thing at work. They need you to do some stretches, because if you injure yourself, the company gets in trouble. But yeah, good enough. Thanks, Lime, for the reminder. Actually, I did really need that. My hip was feeling a little weird. What was I gonna do again? Oh, I forgot the lava. I think we'll leave 2 diamonds for an enchanting table, but let's make some tools. Yeah, let's just make a full set of diamond tools. There we go. The goal for the stream has been achieved. Full diamond set of tools. And we have 1 left. Put this all away. I'm just gonna chuck the tools. I'll never use those again. So yeah. I feel like Animal Crossing 10 PM. Okay, nice, cool. I feel like Animal Crossing should make a spin-off called Fish Swimming and just make a fishing game. You know what? I think you're right, to be honest. It's a great idea, man. Or you could make a fishing game. Yeah. Cool. So do we explore or build a base? What do you guys think? Explore or build a base? And let me look at this book in the meantime to show you guys. So, very cool animation starting right off. So, Cave Compendium. Hidden beneath the surface of the world lies many unique cave biomes, all rare in nature. These cave biomes are sought out not only for their novelty, but also due to the various powerful and legendary contents of each. So yeah, there's a lot of cool items and stuff. Of these biomes are 5 to exist, so you have to figure out what these biomes are. So to uncover more of each biome of these caves, seek out Underground Cabin. We found an Underground Cabin. That's that little house we found. Underground cabins can occasionally be found in caves throughout the overworld. Cartographers can occasionally sell maps to them, which can also be found in mineshaft chests, which we actually found one of those too. Base. Okay, cool. 1 vote on base. Tried to make one when I was learning Godot, but I couldn't get the fish to catch at random times. Yeah, it is difficult to make fishing games. I've been wanting to make one. I haven't actually made one fully yet. Yeah, so we'll make a base in a second. Cartographers can occasionally sell maps. Okay, so aside from ordinarily underground cabins contain cave tablets. Tablets can be placed alongside a paper in a spelunkering table. Another unique found in the cabin. Then one can begin translating Cave Compendium. Cool. So when both the tablet and paper are on the table, various ruins on the tablet will be visible. Interacting with any ruin will reveal it. A revealed world's translation can be seen by moving the lens of the map. Only 5 attempts can be made before the tablet is destroyed. Using the knowledge of these ruins can blah 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 gives you a map. And cool. So we have some cartography to do. So we put in the ruin, and then we put in the paper. Find tough. Attempts left. Select the word to attempt to guess. Oh. What's that word? That's not it. So I guess you just attempt randomly and then. Oh, wait. Tough. So 4 characters. I mean, that is 4 characters. Cat. Oh, it's about to break. I don't think we're gonna find it. Tough. Damn it. We'll try one more time. I don't want to do this the whole time. Find green. I feel like green in a sentence would be used around like. Oh. Hey! Find nuclear. Oh no. Oh no. Green. Spare. No. We'll get into that another time. I'm not gonna give myself a headache. Okay. So let's work on a base. Now for the base, we'll just work on a little placeholder one. Not really too sure what I want to do for it. I think I'll just do a little oak house. Oh wait, I have to build something that looks okay for you guys. Oh, I'm really bad at building. I don't want to do this anymore. Okay, well, I'll make something that hopefully looks okay. Let's get some stone. I have no idea what I'm gonna do here. Why don't you get a real job? Me, for example, I sit on the street and beg for money. Don't hate to play, hate the game. Yeah, I mean, oh, bro. That might be a plan. Where I live, I think there's like a 3% homeless rate or something, like beggars. Yeah. I do have a real job, actually. Yeah. I really gotta figure out what base I want to build here. How's the baking been going though, Charles? Any luck? Have you gotten rich yet? Put in the stone. Make some bricks. Oh man, I really don't know what I want to do for a house. I think I want to make something with a basement. So I think it's 5 by 5 inside, which will make like over here. I'm ready to judge. No man, come on. Okay. I have a good idea. I'd really love to trap this guy and put a name tag on him. We have an actual village close by though. We don't need zombie villages. We could just go steal a villager. There's like one 300 blocks away. I don't know if I need more stone. Just search up Minecraft House tutorial 2012. They never found. Yeah, very nice. No luck. As a matter of fact, to try to steal some money, but 5 for 2 Asian girl knocked me out. Oh yeah. Love for a 5 for 2 Asian girl to knock me out. You know what I mean? I'm joking. I just checked. You can't. So here's the link. I can't. What? Oh wait, I just dug into the terrain. So if I'm gonna do 5x5 inside, I want the inside to be 5x5. So for a 5x5 inside, the rain with the lo-fi music's good, but I'm gonna have to sleep, so I think that gets rid of rain. Cool. We're gonna need more wood, but for now, I don't know if I want to shave it. So I want 5 inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doorway here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll need to put the dirt back over here. No. Okay, dude. You know what? I'm really happy with where it exploded because it's just at the actual cave entrance. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Don't go. You're the glue that keeps streaming together. I gotta go, but I might come back later. Oh, Colton! It's okay, man. Thanks for dropping by. I appreciate you speaking too. It was nice talking to you. I'll catch you next time, bro. Again, Monday. Should be Monday. Just sometime Monday afternoon. Check it out. Yeah, Charles. There goes our friend, bro. We've lost a few friends along the way so far. All right, Charles. Do I do a plank floor? Yes or no? And if no, what floor block should I do? Let me get more wood while I wait for you to respond. I'm gonna do wood for the walls. So I thought it'd just be a little bit weird if both the floors also would. I could do stone for the floors, like stone bricks. I thought maybe stone bricks would look nice. And should I make the ladder going down into the basement in the center of the base, so we had like a pillar in the center, or should I put the ladder at like the back of the base? So grab some stone. I think it'd look nice. I can double jump out. Grass floor. Okay, I refuse with the grass floor. Come on. No lime. Depends on what look for outside, like planks, walls, floors, weird. Yeah, so the walls will be planks. We'll have these to outline it, so I'll just put this all down now. Do this too. Oh wait, let me check the stone in the furnace before I forget about that. I need 2 more pieces of stone. Here we go. Back, okay. Ladder at the back, going down. Yeah. Alright, sweet, here we go. 2, 3, cool. So, and then this is in the corner, so we need some... Pull this up a little bit. We'll fix up this terrain in a bit. I just wanted to get the actual house foundation down, and then from there we can afterwards fix it up, maybe. So I think we're gonna finish the base, and And when the base is, well, the start of the base is done, we might either explore a little bit, mine a little bit more, and then I think I'm done for now. It was just, again, stress test stream, see how things go. But I am really happy with how this has gone, the actual world so far. We have diamonds, building a little house, things are good. Cool. Don't ask me, bro. You wear the pants in the stream. I'm wearing wool pants right now. I don't know what floor I want to do, man. I am thinking just stone bricks will look nice for a floor. Start filling in the walls. I think we'll do a window on this side. I don't want to make it symmetrical. Oh, at least not fully symmetrical. Pretty symmetrical, but not too symmetrical. So do this right here. Let me go grab some sand quickly. Yeah. Viewers wise, I think I was hoping for the stream to do slightly better, but at the same time, I had a feeling like no one would show up. So it was like, you know, I'm actually really happy. Like I've been able to talk to you guys, and that's like the best for me, because just being able to talk makes it a lot easier. And it's also enjoyable, like just talking to you guys. But next time, things are gonna go a lot better. It'll go better. Spruce plank fort. Now that is actually a plan. Spruce though. Oh, I don't think we have any spruce near us. Let me see on the map. Oh, you know what? We have snow right here. We should. All right, we'll make a little trip into the snow and go get some spruce. There's a meteorite over here too. We'll go check that out. And there's something there. We'll go check those 3 things out. Let me drink my Giga Chad water first though. Delicious. Dart is worth 5 people. You're right. We should maybe go capture him and sell him on the market. I think we'll make bank. I'm so glad this pumpkin actually works to keep the crows away from my crops. Yeah, sand. Glass. Cool. The rest of these planks. And then this wall I'm just gonna fill in solidly. That's what I meant with the slight amount of you know, non-symmetrical look. Unsymmetrical. The back, I think I'm just gonna fill in as well. Now I'm not sure about the roof. The roof, you guys are gonna have to give me a second to think. Like, what do I want to do with the roof? Because I don't know if I want to make it 2 stories going up, or if I just want to do this little entrance and then just everything's underground. Which underground is kind of cool. Yeah, there's something I want to make with the create mod just to give you guys like a little introduction to it. So to do that, I'm actually gonna go grab some of that real quick, because before I hop off the stream, I want to quickly just do that to show you guys. Yeah, let's see. We need andesite. So, whoa. All right, there's andesite. So I should just be able to. Ow. Cool. Not a lot, just a little bit. I won't sit here doing this for hours. I just want to get a water wheel going to like visually make it like cool. Put a little water wheel around the house. All right. Cool. And then there we go. That's what we need. We need zinc. So that's zinc right there. Should be some more. I don't want to go into the cave though. Alright, there's some zinc. Alright, we could get to that pretty easily. There's creepers. Ow. Just a smidge. Not really too sure on how much we need specifically, but this should be enough. Yeah, this should be fine to just quickly do this as like a little visual show off as to what we're trying to do. Cool, so let's get up. Double jump. Yeah, double jump's amazing. I love it. It's cloud in a bottle. Great item. Little double jump. Very satisfying. I gotta say, whoever like made this double jump for this mod, very good. Got very lucky finding that item so early. Well, it's a starter base. You don't have to go. Yeah. So yeah, for this, if I end up doing this weekly, so I was planning to do the Minecraft stream weekly, and then just programming streams the rest of the week. So, to make it, oh, we have a cherry blossom biome right there. So that was the plan. Was making this a weekly thing. So if we do this weekly, I do have a lot of plans. So what I said at the start of stream is I thought maybe like a cool. Oh, there's a meteorite right here. I thought it'd be cool to make a little like big water thing going on here, like make a little shipping area. Because we do have some factory mod and sorts, so that stuff could actually logistically work. Main base there, and I thought about making a train station with a train track going all the way through here. So the create mod does have trains, so you do have actual trains that can carry cargo and stuff. So bunch of cool stuff. I was planning to make this a really cool area if we actually do end up doing this weekly. Which at this rate, even if it's just 3 or 4 of you guys here that talk like a little bit to keep me like busy, definitely do it. Like it's very, very fun. Let's see what's in here. There should be a chest of something. Yeah, there we go. You know what? I'm very mad that I didn't loot this at the beginning. I didn't know it was here. That's very lovely. Moon sand. Moon sand's actually pretty useful. Yeah, that's cool. Love the vibe here. Also being soul sand's kind of nice. Soul sand's useful. We can automate a lot of things. So I want to make a big quarry thing too, where we automate iron, gold, stuff like that. Oh, there's more pumpkins right. There's a lot of pumpkins. This is a great seed, to be honest, so far. Oh wow, how does a tree grow into the base? I really hope the leaves don't stay because of the logs. Cool. Sleep. Yeah, so we got like an hour left before I'm gonna end the stream. Yeah, really enjoying this music, by the way. This lo-fi playlist I put on. Yeah, so this isn't disappearing. Very sad, because I don't want to do this by hand. There we go. Okay, it's disappearing. Cool. Let's chuckle this junk away. There we go. Okay, diamonds aren't junk. See what we can make of diamonds, actually. Maybe there's something cool. Oh, right, I have iron furnaces and stuff installed. Cool. What is that? Fen cutter. It's pretty cool. Cool. I need to figure out where these mobs are coming from because they're starting to annoy me. I'll deal with it another time. I'm not going to deal with this. But they're so annoying. I might just go into my settings and turn off the actual hostile creature volume for now, just to mute it, because it's annoying. Cool. Let's grab the glot. Then talk about it. Just don't talk about it. Need the... What the zinc? Oh, there's zinc. So the zinc, we smelt the zinc yet. Cool. There we go. Oh, that's my torches. There. Cool, and yeah, let's fill this in. Cool. You don't like it, do you? You don't like the base so far? I can tell. I can smell it. Oh, you know what? I kind of want a spruce door. Nah, it's fine. Just for now, make a normal door. We'll figure this all out. Kind of do want the block out here, yeah, so. There's something missing here, man. I know it could look nice, is stone brick slabs for the roof. What do you think, Da? I think that could look good. The fact that glass isn't plain. Aye, come on, man. For you, I'll go get glass panes, man. You are right, though. I didn't think about that. I thought I had the connected glass modern, which just makes normal glass look nice when you put it next to each other. Cool. Oh. Let's get the hell out of here. Okay, this double jump thing's a little OP, to be honest. Check that in. I think stone bricks look nice for the roof. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that. I think that's probably the best. Okay. I've always hated how if mobs on fire and you hit them, it doesn't register the knockback sometimes because they take a fire damage tick as you hit them, so it just doesn't knock them back. Cool, we don't need much. Since that is just slabs. Chuck that in there. We're already out of food, really? Oh wait, no, we have all the steak. I was gonna say, something fell off. Stone roof is okay, I guess. Yeah. It could be... It's just a start. I mean, you said it was just a start. Look at you judging me. Nah, it's fine. I don't know. It looks a little odd. You know what? Odd's okay. We're just waiting for things to smell. So let's get into this a little bit. So what we need with this is I think we go... Oh wait, no, actually, we need nuggets. Take the nuggets. Nuggets like so. There we go. So we got alloys, like so. And these alloys are used for a few things. So we make shafts. With the shaft to go like so. Oh. Cool, so that's a cogwheel. So, a large cogwheel, sorry. Big one. I forgot they changed the recipes. Yeah, okay, they made it a lot cheaper to make things. So, let's make one more to show how it works. Cool, and then I need my bucket for water. You're gonna like this stuff. Go grab some water. Trying to visualize. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, trying to get a feel for it. Actually, I want an infinite water source here. I'm just a big dummy, man. We don't need an infinite water source right now. It's fine. So with these cogs, so what we do is we need a water wheel. Make a water wheel. Ah, cheap, very cheap. Good. I'm not rich. So there we go, water wheel. Cool. So with the water wheel, very easy. We just go so. Cool. There's our little water wheel. Dig out underneath it like so. Except for that right there. Cool. And then glass would be nice because then we can actually show it off. Let me just make the planes and then any leftover glass. 2 glass, okay. We got I made your planes, man. Let's get rid of this. It's better. It's still not. It still looks a little odd, but it's better. So if this, let's just go like so. Cool. I think this will flow. Oh, crap. I made a mistake. Damn it. You know what? I'm gonna do something illegal. I'm gonna use glass planes for this. So go like so, so. Do that. I think this will do that right there. Water starts to flow. And there we go. So now we have a water wheel flowing. Cool, so that's how that works. Now we have a water wheel flowing and we have kinetic power coming out this way. So now we can extend this out like so, and you can see that's spinning now. And then we can connect a large cogwheel like so. You see that spin? So yeah, you just connect bits and bobs and make machinery with things that spin. So yeah, it's a cool little mod. You can make a lot of cool machines with it. We'll get into that another time. I'm just gonna leave that there like so. It's pretty ugly because it's kind of cool. You know, it adds to the base having some moving bits. Yeah, you know, it already looks kind of interesting. Like there's something going on. Let me put this in its own separate chest as well. The stuff I made. Cool, and let me get that stone out. So there we go, so slabs. There we go, check that all in there. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Well, later on we'll have some cool machines of it. There's a lot of cool stuff you can do. Yeah, it's an interesting one. Now I'm trying to figure out, do I want this to completely cover the roof like a big square of stone? Or do I just want to make it like... it's very hard to decide. I think let me just do what I'm thinking right now. So that is just filling it in mostly, but leaving some like gaps. Like it's not like fully closed. Of course, except for this inside bit. We'll let in like so. How am I feeling about that roof? It's such an ugly house, man. It is so ugly. Oh, wow, that's terrible. No. It's bad. It's bad. The plan didn't work. I think we'll need more stone. We'll let in a bit more. Actually, so glad I don't have work today. I was like, when you start like a job, and because I started this job like a bit over a month ago. When you start a job and you just go at it, you get into like a mental schedule. Like you think like you wake up, you're like, oh, I'm going to work, and it doesn't really go away. So like even on a weekend like today, it's like, oh, I have to go to work, but I don't. It's just kind of nice. It feels better because you're like, thought you're gonna do a star roof, but a star roof? What do you mean a star roof? Oh, stair roof. Oh, you know what? I think you're right. That could look nice. Let me try this one last design. I'm gonna fill this in and then just raise this middle bit so we'll see how it looks. But yeah, I think if it doesn't work, stair roof. Definitely a stair roof. You're right about that. I'll finish this house, put some torches down, and then I think we're done. So we've got a good grasp on everything. We've got a full set of diamond tools. I might off stream get some more diamonds just to not boringly strip mine or something on stream, but we'll see. We'll see if I feel up to it, I'll do it. But yeah, these Minecraft streams will be on Fridays. So Dar, if it's 8 PM for you, well, just late at night for you, that means it's technically yesterday for you. So today it's Saturday for me. Like right now it's Saturday for you. It's still Friday. So it's Friday for you. That would mean I'll do the streams Thursday nights for you. So for Americans, well, no, not specifically America, but that time zone-ish on the world map. So I'll do Minecraft streams Thursday nights for the Western world and for Eastern world Fridays. So Friday afternoons, Eastern, Minecraft. And the rest of the week, so Mondays and Wednesdays, I'll be doing programming streams. So 3 streams a week, 1 long Minecraft stream, and then 2 hour. I'm gonna aim for doing 2 hour streams for programming, and then yeah, we'll see how it all goes. If it does okay, like what I essentially want is at least just 5 people. And I think once I announce the streams better, plan them better, and get a schedule going, and announce the streams better, like on YouTube and Twitter and stuff, say, hey, I'm streaming. I think that'll get more people in and get a little bit more engaged. See how it all goes. But again, really appreciate you being here, man. It definitely makes it a little bit better, rather than just sitting at the screen not talking because no one's watching. I just never have enough. Every time I think I have enough, and then I go to put it all down. It's just not even close. Do I have some more? Guess. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that we really need more. Hi Colton, welcome back, man. I didn't expect you to come back. I thought you had to sleep or something. Love to have you back though, Colton. Welcome, man. We're almost done with the ugly house. I mean, beautiful house. It's magnificent. Da said my house is ugly. He's been bullying me since you've been away. Cool. You know what? I kind of like the dip in it, but the house isn't symmetrical. It's very plain, but I kind of like it. Dara, I know you don't like it that much. I think once I fill in those 2 gaps, I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying how it looks. Also cool, and we got some moving bits and bobs over there if you want to see. Got some cogs turning. Cool. Some stairs going down. Give it a rating when it's done. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm still deciding. I kind of want to put lanterns on the outside. I think you'll like it a bit more once there's lanterns. Let me put that there. In here, definitely put a lantern up there. We'll replace all this with stone eventually. For now, it's just going to remain being dirt. I say as I break it away. So for now, just like so. There we go. So this is our house for now. We're way in. Cool. And let me get the lanterns. I think the lanterns are going to play a big part in making it look nice. Cool. Colton loves it. Do I want to put the lantern in the middle? I kind of want to put it at the back. Kind of like it at the back. Let me move some stuff inside. So I did also install another mod that lets me carry things. So I can like pick up a chest. Which, you know, I think is kind of cool. Also makes my life 10 times easier. But yeah, so let me move some stuff inside. Cool. I don't know how I feel about the lantern. I think it's missing something. I think putting one right... Yeah. You know, I kind of like it. It reminds me of a turtle. It looks like a turtle. Okay. I don't know if I want to put the bed in here. I think I do. Oh. I think I'm gonna get rid of this ladder. Put the spelunking one over here. And the crafting table just... Which corner? I think this corner is good. Gonna actually put a... Yeah, I kind of like the slab. Oh wait, actually I have a good idea for the slabs. So yeah, I'll show you guys. You guys are gonna like this. Oh wait, I have them on me. Furnaces. Let's put the furnaces there and then put the slabs on the front. Yeah, kind of like that. That's kind of nice. Is that all? We have the chests, but I want to put the chests downstairs. So let me 5 by 5 down here. Cool, there we go. Liking it so far. I have made a similar house to this before in a friend's world. I made a mushroom house the same fashion. So let me put the coal back in the furnaces. Cool. So we'll start with the cartography table, which I'm going to keep this one inside. So put this one over. I'll put it on the table. Yeah, because that has our cave exploring stuff. And then the create mod stuff, so these spinning things. I kind of want to keep the chest outside with it. So let me move this because I don't like how it looks out, like weirdly disconnected. So I'm gonna make it just really compact to give it like a cool vibe. Like put one there randomly, like a shaft there. Yeah, it just makes it look a little more interesting. Cool. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just put this outside. Like leave this for now. Can you open? Yeah. Cool, like so. And then we have our big chest of goodies, so chuck some stuff in there. It's just gonna be a random chest, just random things. Gonna end the stream soon, by the way, so prepare for that, guys. Pick this up, you need an empty hand. And we'll chuck these downstairs, so... It's just gonna be our random goodies chest. Go. Cool. Alright, so Da, I know you probably don't like it that much, but let's give you a little bit of a tour, shall we? Okay. Let me get a faraway look. You know what? It's plain, but at the same time, Da. Come on. Surely. Cool, now I know you probably love it. It's the best house you've ever seen. I think that's cozy. If we had some shaders installed, that's beautiful right there. I think that's good. See you humming me. I took a screenshot. That's how much I like it. Let's get a different angle. Cool likes the gears. I actually really like the gears too. Yeah, I mean, 5 out of 10. Come on. It needs work. It needs work. I think even just adding. Hope that wasn't too loud for you guys. I don't know why my windows just made that super loud sound. You should add roof slabs on everything. Hello, Mr. Top Hat. You should make roof slabs overhang on the side. Roof slabs over. Oh, I see what you mean, actually. Oh, you know what? That could be a good idea. Let me. I want to go get some spruce wood first. I think spruce trapdoors would look nice. How's it going, Mr. Top Hat? Stream's gonna end pretty soon. It's just a little stress test stream to see how my computer handles it. My laptop. Let's sleep. Go get some spruce wood. Add it. I think the dark contrast from spruce wood would add a little, you know, niceness to it. Hopefully there's spruce wood in the snow. There should be, but it looks like an empty snow biome if I look at the map. Recreate and tweak. Wow, you're gonna come to my Discord and show me up. Are you new at Minecraft? No. What did guys? Why don't you like the base? Why am I getting so much judgment? It's the best. Oh crap. Yeah, this double jump's kind of dangerous. Not gonna lie. Oh, what just happened? I think it crashed. Did it crash? Are we crashed? The stream's still going. Is the stream still on? What the hell? I guess we might have to... Guess we're gonna have to stop the stream. For some reason it's using space on my actual PC. Which I don't have much left because there's a lot of things I've installed lately. Yeah. Damn. I didn't think about that. Oh, right, it does count as a recording. I guess we'll have to work on that. This might have to be the end of the stream then. Well, it was a good run. You know, not a lot of things went wrong. I expected quite a bit more to go wrong. This is so weird though. I had 80 gigs free before I started the stream, so I guess this is currently saving everything onto my computer. So, guess the spruce wood's gonna have to wait for next week. I know. Let's just try it quickly. One more try. Let's just try launch it back up. Oh wait, I already have it open. Hopefully things aren't like broken. The storage space thing, I really hope they didn't mess with the world. Maybe the world like crashed because it's trying to generate chunks and there's not enough space left on the computer, like it doesn't let it. So we're gonna see if the world's broken or not. We'll try to get the spruce wood and then just call it a day. I'll sort out the computer space thing. There's a lot of things I can uninstall. I just thought I didn't think about the actual stream being recorded. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Have more water while I wait. Cool. So I do apologize for that. I know that's completely like thrown off the rhythm. So far we seem good. Oh, no, it's crashing again. Okay, so yeah, I think the storage, yeah, at least the world's fine. So next time we play, it should be okay. But yeah, I need to sort out storage thing. I'm assuming Minecraft has something built in where it doesn't let it take up too much space in case it would. So I guess we'll just figure it out. Let this crash fully before I do anything. Double check that it's not a mod. It shouldn't be a mod though, because we've been playing this whole time. So if it was a mod, it would have been a lot sooner. It might have been something I pressed though. Maybe I did something weird. Yeah, it does suck. But we were coming to the end of the stream anyway. There was just one last thing I was going to do, so it's not like it's too bad, you know. Could have been worse. We could have like not played at all if nothing worked. Yeah, it was fun. It was fun. But you know what? 5 out of 10, man. I'll take it. At least it's not a 4 out of 10. It's taking so long to crash. What's going on? Let me just force a crash. I don't want to fully close it because if I fully close it, it'll not give me a crash report. There we go. That should. An unexpected error happen. Okay, so it's not a mod. Yeah, allocated additional memory in the configurations version. Yeah, so it's just a storage issue. Oh well, you know, at least we know it's not a mod. One last check about everything before everything like fully cools down. Let's check the stats here. So yeah, CPU's been holding up fine. The graphics card 60 degrees, so everything was consistent. Let's check the. Also, here's the song. I'll copy paste this into the chat if anybody like this lo-fi playlist that's been playing. There you go. There we go. Cool. So 7 likes. 33 different people came and looked. So I'm actually really happy with that. At the start of stream, I said I hoped at least just 10 people would have came to look. So yeah, this all went very long because as you can see here, I scheduled it, but it didn't actually schedule, so it just started the stream immediately. So when I do streams, I'll schedule them a whole day beforehand, so you guys know exactly when they are, and I'll announce it on Twitter, Instagram, Discord, everything. So it'll be a lot more like, you know, get a lot more people in. So hopefully next time we'll get a few more people in. But next time we'll do a programming stream. I think we will test out like episode 16, like try program the save system for the platformer series. And yeah, you know, I was pretty happy with the stream, and I really appreciate you guys talking so much. It's been great. I expected a lot of things to go wrong. Again, I'm streaming on a laptop, and also my internet is very inconsistent. So definitely has gone pretty well, exceeded my expectations. Yeah, stream health. Let's see if there's anything that's come up here. Earlier, just the stream bitrate was too low. Fix that. And yeah, stream is healthy, so everything is just great. I'll open up my Steam. You guys can see my Steam. Doesn't really matter too much. But yeah, as you can see, I have a lot. Bye, Colton. Have a nice night, man. Or afternoon, whatever. It was great talking to you. Stream was about to end, so yeah. I'll catch you next time, bro. Have a nice day. So yeah, any games you guys want to suggest that we play next time instead of Minecraft or something, let me know, because I probably have it. But yeah, I'm going to indulge in some Red Dead Redemption personally right now, and then I'm going to finish the thumbnail for the next video and upload that, so you guys will get the next episode for the platformer series in like a couple hours. And yeah, the next video again should come out Monday, so maybe in stream can ask you guys about what you thought about the video right after it uploaded. But yeah, thanks a lot, guys. I really appreciate it. You guys have been amazing, and I'll catch you all next time, and I hope you have a lovely evening. Goodbye, everyone.